Good morning, Han. Good morning, Cha.
Good morning,
Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, Bohol.
Good morning, Isla de Pitogo.
From Villa Milagrosa Elementary School Studio, this is Cha.
This is Han. And this is Lauren.
Now,
Signing in. The Villa Milagrosa Elementary School teaching staff are busy preparing the CI project. Yes, Han. This is true. In fact, the title of the project, Pagbasa sa Kabataan, Palambuon Kauban ng Tugudlo Dominikanan. In the screen, we can see and read the school profile of Villa Milagrosa Elementary School, the municipality of President Carlos P. Garcia. We have an enrollment of 160 male and 152 female, total of 315. There are 12 teachers, nationally paid, and 1 school head. Han, where were we before? Based on the English field area result, pre-test conducted last October 9, 2023, school year 2023-2024, 4 out of 41 pupils in grade 5 of Villa Milagrosa Elementary School are less skilled readers or with poor comprehension. The school aims to develop the reading skills in English of the 4 grade 5 pupils at their grade level and help them improve their school academic performance. We, the CI team, agreed to focus on this problem to address the zero less skilled readers or with poor comprehension of our schools. Cha, where are we now?
we are now in the process steps that we are going to follow. We have the preparation, presentation, modeling and guided practice, application, and the assessment.
How did we do it? There will be an activity to be done. First, use motivational activities that arouse the pupils' interest in reading. Download video clips of phonics and stories. Develop a variety of IMs. Research suited IMs. Provide attractive and appropriate IMs. How about you, Cha?
Allocate funds from MOOE, conduct regular home visitation, use differentiated strategies to capture learners' interest in going to school regularly, and give rewards for those best in attendance.
Merely looking for the rolled out with implementation highlights, we have an instructional materials, home visitations, and a teacher directs the pupils to read. Where do we go from here? Implement this Kahibalo Palakdan Pagbasa Batasanon projects to the other grade levels by August 2024. Monitor pupils' performance in reading in school year 2024-2025 when they will be in grade 6. And this is all for now. I'm Lorna. I'm Hannah.
I'm Teresa.
Now signing off.